So one of the things I mentioned to you about this laundry room is I wanted to change it to something else. One of the things I've been thinking about is to change it into the entrance of my house. The entrance is actually over here on the other side of where the bathroom is. It would be nice to have a larger space. For the purposes of us moving into the warehouse, I'm actually going to look at other types of doors that I could get in the warehouse. And to do that, I'm going to need to make a space that the door could possibly fit into. For now, I'm just going to push this part down as if the door would fit into there. Then I'm going to go to the warehouse and look and see what I can find. To do that, I'm going to turn on the components window. There is a warehouse search tool that you can use, but sometimes it doesn't bring the models in. There seems to be something glitchy with it, but you can do the same thing in the components window. It's right here. If you click where it says 3D warehouse, if you click in here and you type in the types of things that you're looking for. So I'm going to be looking for an entry door. So I'm going to type that in. And I'm going to hit enter, and you'll see it goes to the warehouse to try and search for it. It will give me back some options for an entry door. The thumbnails are a little bit difficult to see. You can see that some of them are double entry doors. If you scroll through here, you can kind of find some different options. So if I click the picture, it should let me just drop it into my model. Now you can see that this is already grouped. Let me bring this in first and see where it would fit exactly. I can tell that this is not fitting exactly where I want it to go. And you can see it's definitely too big. What I should do is scale this door down. To do that, I'm going to do the scale tool. And I'm going to select it, and I'm just going to bring that down a little bit like that, and I'm going to hit escape, and then I'm going to click the move tool again, and I'm going to slide that over. Here I can see that now this door fits more appropriately into where I would want it to go. But what I do need to do is I need to measure and bring these guidelines to where I want them to be. So I'm just going to move this over a little bit, and I'm going to pull another guideline down from the top so that I know where the top should go to. This door is grouped, so actually anything I do to the wall isn't going to affect it. I'm still going to move it out a little bit so that it's out of the way. So I'm going to use the move tool, and I'm just going to pull it out here. Then I'm going to use the push-pull tool, and I'm going to push this back, and I'm going to zoom in here so I can see up, and I'm going to push this up. I can use the move tool and put that door right in there. So now I've got a nicer looking entrance door to my house. The way I would think about this is I would move the laundry into the area where the old entrance was and then keep the bathroom where it is now. I could put a little closet, a little coat closet, or I could make this kind of a sitting area if I wanted to. Let's see what we can find in the warehouse. If I say mud room, or I could type in benches or something. Looks like here's a little bench right here. So I'm gonna click this, and let's see if it'll bring that into my model. Whoop, uh-oh, maybe it crashed. Oh, it looked like it crashed. Uh-oh, now we have a problem.